Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Crystal, and in today's video I'm going to review the Pond's Instabright Glow Up Cream, and this product looks like this. I didn't see this online or anywhere, but when I went to Watson's today I saw this and I was like really intrigued because of the photo of this highlighter there. And you guys know that Pond's is usually focused on skincare and they don't really have a lot of makeup products. When I saw this I was like, they're really stepping up their game. They actually have 3 different shades. They have pink one. I didn't choose that because I wanted a golden glow to my skin. And they also have a white one. I'm not really sure about the names of the shades, but what I do know is that they have 3 shades. But the shade that I got is called Golden Sunshine. And don't you guys think that the packaging looks so cute? It really looks like a makeup product for me more than a skincare. So let's see what this does. It says here, instant shimmery glow plus brightens and hydrates skin with hyaluronic acid and light reflecting shimmers. And that is a really good thing because it has hyaluronic acid, and hyaluronic acid is really good for the skin. It really helps hydrate your skin and make it look less dull. And it says here, suitable for all skin types, and it has UV filter. It's not a sunblock, it's not a sunscreen, but it has UV filter. And it says here, Instabright Glow Up Cream. For the first time ever, Pond's is introducing a hybrid collection that brings together the best of skincare and makeup. Your desired luminous makeup-like finish now in your day cream. Get your smooth, bouncy skin with instant glossy glow. So I'm really excited to see what's inside this. I really haven't opened this yet, so let's see how this looks. I actually tried searching this on YouTube and I saw a couple of videos about this. I'm only not sure if it's exactly the same packaging, but I saw some girls from I think Thailand, Indonesia, and Malaysia. This product has already been around, but only not in the Philippines, but now it's finally here. So let's take a look at the product if it's the same as their Instabright Glow Up Cream. So, wow. Oh yeah, this is actually exactly the same product that they were reviewing, and it actually looks so nice. Ooh, I actually really like this packaging. It looks like a packaging that you would get from a BB cream. This is exactly what I mean. I'm really a sucker for packaging when it comes to makeup products or skincare products in general. This actually has 20 grams inside, so that's all right. So here you go. Love the packaging. Super cute. The half of the tube is metallic and then the half is just white, and you see the picture there of highlighter, which is so nice. I actually really dig the packaging. And here's the back. You'll see the ingredients list and all its features. So I'm not wearing foundation, concealer, or any skincare on my face right now because I really don't know what this is. I'm not sure if this is a skincare or makeup. But it says here it's a hybrid that brings together the best of skincare and makeup. So it's 2-in-1, makeup and skincare. So here are 4 ways to glow up instantly, and here are 4 ways to use this product. You can use this as a moisturizer, you can use it as a primer or makeup base. You can also mix this with your BB cream or foundation, or use it as a highlighter alone. Here's like a picture of how you can use it. Here you can use it as moisturizer, you can use this as a makeup base, mix it with your BB cream, or just use the highlighter alone. If it's really pigmented, I'm going to use this as a highlighter. I don't want my face to look like a disco ball, so I'm just going to swatch this. Oh my god, I put too much. So that is the shade. This is Golden Sunshine. As you can see, I love giving close-up for swatches, you guys. I was watching some reviews of this and I can't even see the texture or the sparkles in it. So here I'm showing you guys exactly how it looks like in macro shot. It's like a golden moisturizer. It actually has a really fresh scent. Typical scent from Pond's. So here is how it looks like once squeezed straight from the tube, and then now we're gonna blend it to see how pigmented it is. It feels like gel, but it's very smooth and it does feel moisturizing. There is definitely glow, but I don't really see like visible shimmers there. Oh yeah, I can definitely see the glow there. Yeah, the sparkles are very, very micro mini. Like you can't even see it and you can't even feel it on your skin. But it will give you this really nice glow. Yeah, here's a close-up once it's spread out. As you can see, the shimmers, you can't even see the shimmers that much. Wait, no, let's move this mirror. When I was spreading this on my skin, I can't even feel it. Still honestly don't know how I'm going to use this. Actually, you know what guys, I'm just going to apply it in all different ways. I'm going to apply this now as a primer because not everyone wears foundation. I'm just going to apply this on bare skin and we're going to see how much glow it's going to give my skin. So first, I'm going to apply this at the back of my hand, and be careful when you're squeezing this because you might squeeze a lot. The product is just too soft and you might squeeze out too much on your hand, and I think a little bit goes a long way. So first, I'm going to apply this on my cheekbone with my finger. And yeah, for my skin tone, I think this is a nice color. Wow, that actually looks so natural, guys. Ooh. It's just so easy to blend. It's like blending water on your skin. Feels so lightweight. And ooh, look at that. That looks so natural, guys. This is something I would wear alone. Like if I'm not wearing makeup and my skin looks dry and I want a little bit of glow on my skin, this is definitely something I would wear. I have this scar from my chicken pox when I was a baby and it's still there. It left a scar. And that is one of the reasons why I don't wear highlighter there too much. Sometimes it would emphasize this scar that I have here, but with this one I think it's okay. Like, wow, that looks so beautiful on bare skin. Oh my gosh, I can imagine using this with a little bit of concealer, no foundation, and you're not gonna wear powder at all. It's just gonna give your skin this amazing glow. I was not expecting a lot from this product, but I am loving it so far. I think it's gonna look dark on light skin tone, but oh my gosh, that is just the most natural glow that I've ever had, and it doesn't feel sticky or anything like that. I hate it when highlighters don't set and they feel oily and it's just sitting on top of your skin, but this one just sets and it feels really comfortable. Actually, if you're gonna wear this alone, no one will even know that you have highlighter on. So here's how it looks like on bare skin. Now I'm going to apply my foundation and then we're gonna see how it looks like on top of foundations. By the way, did I mention where I got this? I got this from Watson's and it costs 179 pesos. I didn't see this in other branches yet, but I saw this in Watson. I forgot what branch it was, but it's somewhere in Sukat lang. By the way, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus. This is one of my favorite foundations. It blends so nicely on top of the areas where I apply the Instabright Glow Up Cream. And I don't know, like I feel like it's going to be a nice primer if you want a nice glow. And I feel like this is something nice to carry with you if you're at the beach. Well, no one really goes to the beach right now, but I mean for the summertime, this would be a perfect product to carry around with you. You want to like really flaunt that glow on your skin. And I feel like you can also use this for your body. Like if you want a little glow on your shoulders, you can totally go ahead and use it for that. Apply my concealer. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Sand. You know those YSL Touche Eclat? It's like one of those click pen concealers where you click the concealer and the product comes out. It's like one of those really pricey brightening concealers that looks illuminating, and get the pink shade or the white shade of this one and mix it with your concealer and you have your instant brightening concealer because it really has a luminous effect. Guys, so I did my makeup, but I haven't set my foundation yet with powder, but I think I'm going to apply this first and apply a little bit of powder. So I'm just going to squeeze out a little bit because like I said, I don't want too much. And guys, don't squeeze this tube too hard because I promise a lot of product will come out. So you have to like squeeze it just a tiny bit and you'll get this much now. And you don't really need a lot. I'm applying it on top of my foundation without powder. I'm just using my finger. Ooh. I swear it feels like I'm just applying water on my face. And since you already have foundation on, what you want to do is to blend it here on your finger and then tap it on your face. Wow. That looks so beautiful on top of foundation. And during the daytime, I don't want a highlighter that's really obvious. This is really something I would wear. You like?
I like it, so natural.
What do you think? Is that I can wear for every day, right?
Yeah. I see you first time like
It makes your skin look super glowy, like you don't have dry skin.
Yeah.
Like this is gonna look nice on dry skin. And super lightweight. It actually has this gel-like consistency. Using this powder from Miniso, and I am just going to set my face with this. I'm not gonna set my entire face. I'm just gonna leave the glow as is. You know what the great thing about this product is that even if you have oily skin, and right now this is an extra step for me, you're really not required to set this highlighter because it sets on its own. It's not one of those highlighters that just sits on top of your skin and never sets, stays oily, but this one really sets. And even now it feels like it's not going to move anymore. I am just going to apply my blush and share with you guys my final thoughts about the Pond's Instabright Glow Up Cream. First of all, I have never appreciated a liquid highlighter as much as I appreciate this one. Tried a couple of liquid highlighters before, but they just look so patchy. They lift my foundation and they just don't look as smooth as this one. I love how blendable it is and it looks really nice, like you're just glowing from within. Feels very smooth to the touch. You can't feel the shimmers, you can't really see the shimmers. You know that it has pigments or mica or whatever they use to add shimmer to this, but you can't really see any of those particles or anything like that. It just looks super natural, and I think a lot of girls will love it, especially for those who are not really looking for a very blinding highlight. You can actually build this to like a medium coverage, but since I don't want to overdo it, like I'm very happy with this glow that I have on my skin right now. It looks very natural, but if you want, you can always add more, and I really think it's buildable because like I said, it sets. This is such a beautiful product. And once again, I fell in love with a Pond's product. If you like a very beautiful natural highlight, you're definitely going to love this. Again, it comes in 3 different shades. I just got the one in the shade Golden Sunshine, and I really love this product because it has hyaluronic acid, and most of the serums I use have hyaluronic acid, so this is just going to amplify the effect of my serums, because I use my serums mostly when I'm at home. At least I have something when I go out with hyaluronic acid. So that is it for my review of the Pond's Instabright Glow Up Cream. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please leave this video a big thumbs up. And also, if you have other video recommendations or any product that you want me to test out and review, let me know in the comment section down below. I love reading your guys' comments because it just gives me an idea of what you guys want to see and what video I should work on next. So yeah, leave your comment down below. I read all of your comments. Just leave whatever comment you want, and yeah, I will try to reply to every single one of you. So again, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye!